Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You begin by confirming essentials. Battery levels full and firmware current because firmware mismatches block pairing. Once done, power the Avata first, then goggles if used, and finally the motion controller so their radios initialize in the correct order. Hold the controller's pairing button for the recommended time until the LED pattern changes. This places the controller into pairing mode. Make sure cameras and props are clear. You want radio signals clean, so start pairing immediately to avoid timeouts or auto-sleep interruptions. Now focus on the intermediate steps. On the Avata or goggles, select the controller pairing option, because that actively scans for the motion controller's signal. While scanning, keep the controller within 1-2 meters and free of obstructions. Close distance speeds discovery and reduces interference. When the controller LED shows the steady color and the DJI app displays a successful connection, release any buttons and allow the devices a minute to finalize settings. If prompted, follow on-screen calibration prompts so inputs map correctly to flight controls. Finish by calibrating the motion controller and testing every axis, button, and the throttle gesture in a safe environment. This ensures predictable flight. Save the binding to the Avata's control profile in the DJI app so settings persist across power cycles. If the controller fails to respond, reboot the drone, goggles, and controller, then retry pairing. Worst case, perform a controller factory reset and re-update firmware. One key tip: interference can mimic failures. Move to an open area to rule out signal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.